Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I'm going to be doing my weekly plan with me for the Scrapcraftastic Weekly Planner Challenge in my DIY planner, which is a FAUXBONICHI or classic half sheet or Happy Nichi, using the rose gold metal disc in classic size from the Happy Planner. The cover is a DIY cover using one of the Coco's Vision dolls. So this is last week's spread. The prompt was pretty pastels. So this week the prompt is classic. If you would like to play along with the challenge, all of the information is over in the Scrapcraftastic Facebook group. So I'm going to be using this printable. It is part of a set of 3 that's available in the shop at Scrapcraftastic. And it's 3 different looks. So we have this look with the blank headers, this one with the grayed headers, and then there's also this version with no headers, just the boxes as a guide for your planning. So let's go ahead and get started. And I'm going to be using this washi, and I'm using some of these leftover printables from my shop. This one isn't available in the shop, but the rest of these are. So again, the prompt for this week is classic. So what I thought I would do is kind of do what I consider a classic planner spread. I think these colors are also classic as far as planning. So let's get started. I'm going to do the same Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And I'm going to do my to-do headers. I don't know. I may not need the washi tape. We'll see how it goes. So I'm going to do a to-do and then do a blank header next to it. And then I'm going to go with the black, pink. We'll see how it goes. I think I'm going to alternate as well. And then let's do pink over here. So since we have the gray, do I want to put this washi? Or do I want to use? I don't want to keep using the gold washi that I have, but I'm not sure that this is going to look okay. So another thing that's pretty classic to me as far as planning is the checklist, the heart checklist. So I think I have enough left over on this sheet to make this work. So let's pull these up. Okay, so I'm going to put down the checklists. Let's see what other colors, size boxes that I have. Maybe I don't like the washi tape so much. Let's because it just seems to clash. I don't know. Am I gonna be able to get it up? So we don't like the washi. I'm pulling up the washi. I think the heat kind of helps loosen the glue, melt the glue a little bit so that I can pull it up without tearing my paper. Good thing I'm covering all that up. Ugh. Well, that didn't work on that one. But anyway, so back to this. I'm gonna use this for deco. See, I could do it like the traditional way, and maybe I will, and put the box up here. I can't pull that up if I don't like it though. Let's see how it goes. Put it there, and then use one of the washi boxes to fill it in. One of these. Or I could just use a plain black. Let's try a plain black. Nope, too thin. Okay, now let's fix this up here. Let's do this. So that totally gives me classic vibes. I'm gonna do something about this line right here. So that was difficult. Let me go ahead and put down the days of the week and the dates. This is more along the lines of how I used to plan, with lots of full boxes and checklists, heart checklists. So that's classic. So since we are still quarantining, there's not a whole lot to do. But I do have a few things that I need to make note of. But first, let's go ahead and put down the days of the week. Okay, let's put on a payday sticker. Okay. Expecting some Happy Mail. Monday. These are from Piper Paper Company. These are available to Patron Plus members the days of the week. I need to do some online shopping. I think I'll need to do that Tuesday. I have to keep looking, checking for a coupon, so and that's going to be online with Michael's. Just put down definitely working this week, so I'm just going to kind of put that on Monday. Trying to make sure I use those stickers. I gotta remind a young man to set out the trash and the recycling because apparently he doesn't remember. So I'm gonna put this here to remind him on Wednesday for the trash. And I'm gonna have to use green on my spread for the recycling. Wait, let me see. Maybe I have an icon that I can use, or have I already used it? But let's see what other icons I have that aren't green. Okay, so let's see if I can find something for trash. Yes. Let's use the trash day because I don't often use these. Well, wait, no. Let me see. Let's see if I can put the pink one on. Pull that up. And use that for recycling. That needs to be set out Thursday. And then use this for trash on Wednesday. That works better. Okie doke. I'm not doing any working out, so I'm not even gonna fool with those. I know one other sticker that I did want to use was a tracker. That's something that is very classic on planner spreads, and I do have one. And since there's not a whole lot going on, I'm going to stick this on the bottom of Friday. Let's use one of these planners for Sunday. And let's get one of my It's Planning Time stickers. Hopefully I have some of those. Yep. Let's use black. Let's use one of these for meal planning that I need to do on Monday. Let's put that there. The online shopping I need to do is from Michael's. I'm really just waiting on something to go back on sale. I missed the original sale, so I'm waiting for it to come back around. So let's see. I can use one of these from A Dreamy Breeze. Okay. And then I need to place an order again with Target. And I might as well go on and put Walmart down there too. But I won't. because I'm not sure. Okay. Let's see if I can squeeze a doll in here. One or two. I think I like her up there. Okay. And I'm gonna use one of my Peyton dolls. Oh, come on off of here. Let's see if I can use one of these girls. I rarely use them. Let's put her up here. Okay, so which Coco's Vision doll do I want to use? Or do I want to use Coco's Vision? I could use one of these from Red Lyrics. I think I like her. This spread is really busy, but can't be helped. No, I don't think I need another doll. Let's not. I think that's good. No doll needed. Okay, I don't know if I said this, but this is for the week of the 13th through the 19th. This is some of the leftovers. Oh, I could have used that. This is some of the leftovers from the Black Friday kit. So I'm just going to use the dates from this one. I don't know if the gold roses might be too much. I think we're busy enough. But I was thinking of maybe adding some up top. Let's see. This digital set of roses is available over in Patreon as well. Let's see how we can make this work. Maybe I don't need them in the header. I don't think I have enough to make that work. I'm gonna leave this alone before I destroy it and it goes completely over the top. So I may come back later in the week and add something in the header, but I think it's plenty busy enough without doing that. So that is it for this week's spread. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, check us out over at patreon.com/scrapcraftastic for exclusive content and digital downloads. Visit my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, for live craft videos, junk journals, and weekly vlogs. You can find me across social media at Scrapcraftastic. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!